This is my John Deere 1025R tractor. I bought it without the cab last summer, and after snow blowing 2 or 3 times I realized I needed a cab. So I had a cab put on, and this is the Mauser cab, which is the factory cab that they're installing at the factory now. But once I got the cab on, I did not feel the stability that I did without the cab. And even though I'm not running the ballast like I should, I just felt like I needed a lot more stability. It just felt too tippy. So I went and got the dual rear wheels. I got the wheels off of Amazon, and these are the Miller tire spacers, and this is all from what GoodWorks Tractors said in their YouTube. But this is what you get. You get a couple of spacers and bolts. So we'll be putting them on.